The state government on Tuesday stated that the corruption at bureaucratic level resulted in the Kankana building collapse tragedy at Chowri. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the builder and deputy town planner were accountable for the tragedy. The State Human Rights Commission has taken suo motu cognizance on the issue and has sought detailed report from the state's Chief Secretary by the 6th of February.
Available equipments, available methods, including Disaster Management Authority, everyone has made it very clear that no one, even if he is trapped inside, is alive. Therefore, we cannot, as a government, cannot put life of any other person in danger. One who is, it is no more a rescue operation, but it is, as of now, operation clear up. We have decided that hand operation of debris removal can be started, and that has been started.
Physically.
Physical, that is because hand operationak vibration nasta आणि वजन नसता मशीनाचे. त्यामुळे hand operation can be done. It is up to that extent it is safe. The wall, retaining wall, where the mud is filled up, has already cracked. 12 meters crane capable of virtually cutting the building like almost like a cardboard, with a hydraulic scissors at the end. 12 मीटरच्या फुडें ताका hydraulic अशे scissors आहा which cuts concrete directly. If anyone wants, we can show the video also. And then दुसरेकडे अनेक जाग्यार दुसऱ्या बिल्डिंगेक टच करनासतना बिल्डिंग कातरल्या आणि ही सेज दॅट दिसाक एक बिल्डिंग आपण तुमकां डिमॉलिश करून दिता कातरून कुडके कातरून ल्हान कुडके आले की मागीर ते ट्रकांच्यान व्हरून येता. This permission also has been given by the town planner. He has clearly violated all norms and conditions. It is a clear case of criminal conspiracy between builder and the town planner. All permissions for everything that Vishwas Desai has signed. He is the contractor, he is the engineer, he is the architect, he is the peon, he is everyone. They have signed every paper for this. No need of any regulation. Do not panic on one incident. It is bad, obviously, but it is not failure of the administrative mechanism. It is failure of a human greed. Presidentaचो हांवें local statement आयकलो की ही सगळी कितें तें ह्या काळान दिला. He is under wrong impression. All permissions have been granted in 2010. म्हाका इतलेंच सांगचें पडटा की 28/5/2010 रोजी काँग्रेसचें सरकार आशिल्लें आनी जे आतां बडबडटात पळय ते सगळे काँग्रेसीन आशिल्ले. Alex Reginald आसा तो कोण तो John Fernandez आसा, they were all part of that government. This has been done by deputy town planner in a very systematic way by granting permission at his local level by keeping the area below 2000 square meter. The rule that time was 2000 square meter and below would be done at the town planner's level. 2000 and above would go to the government. Each work was broken down less than 1 crore. This is not permitted. The logic of giving limits is because of one single work, and you cannot divide 2-3 works into cut pieces. This is a total fraud. The first permission could have been given by him. Moment second permission request came to him, he should have referred the file to town planning. This is definitely a case of corruption, manipulation, but at bureaucratic level. हांव पॉलिटिसायज करूंक शकना. फक्त ते कितें बडबडून एक हे करूंक सोदतात, एक इम्प्रेशन करूंक सोदता की तुमकां आमच्या वेळार दिला. इवन आमच्या वेळार दिलें सुद्दां जाल्यार देर इज नो प्रॉब्लेम. I will take action because it has been done by the town planner without following proper procedure. See any political hand directly in the papers which I see.